month's Whiff Box. It's pretty heavy. I already know what it is because you know me, I hate surprises. I hate waiting. So I already took a peek. It's so good. And you know what? I'm just going to show you. Let me show you. All right, so as you know, this month is Mental Health Awareness Month. So this box is, focused on that, okay? So again, I already took a peek, but let me just show you. So we have our little note, which is always so cute. And it says, your May Whiff Box has handpicked products to help you focus on self-care during Mental Health Awareness Month. With fragrances to calm, uplift, and renew, today's priority is you. That's cute. All right, so let's dive in. So it comes with a hand soap, which is in Jammy Time scent, a body wash, a body cream, next month scent of the month, which is so good, and 2 items that I'm so pumped about. All right, so this first product that I'm about to show you is part of our summer collection, which is coming out next month, but you could get it now only in the Whiff Box. All right, the scent in this is pink pineapple and sugar. Ready? Body wipes. Body wipes. Brand new product, okay? These are going to be so good to have in my car. Come on, to all of our moms out there, we know we always need wipes for those sticky hands, those faces. I need all of them, So these are going to be so good, especially to our moms, our soccer moms, come on. And the other product, which is an exclusive item, again, you only get it in the Whiff Box. Let me open it. I actually haven't even opened it. Is a sleeping mask, and it has Scentsi's logo. So weighted sleeping mask. So it does have the little beads. I hope you guys can hear that. So it's all around. It has Scentsi's logo. It's so stretchy, so good. I'm going to be wearing this when I go on my vacation very, very soon. Actually, I'm going to use it tonight. This is going to help me sleep like a baby tonight. So this is May's Whiff Box. This box is available only for this month while supplies last. But go get your Whiff Box, get your exclusive items, first hands. It's so freaking good. So good.